Hi everyone, introducing an exciting innovation competition. It's by Tata Innoverse. It's for automation of roller brake testing in commercial vehicles. So they are seeking solution to automate the roller brake testing in vehicles for manual transmission commercial vehicles by eliminating driver dependent operation including clutch, accelerator, brake, steering, engine control and gear shifting, enabling a safe, consistent and fully automated testing process. So this is the challenge details. So the roller brake test is a critical end of line validation process used to assess the braking performance, speed test, features test and other vehicle functions in commercial vehicles before dispatching it. So during the test cycle, an operator remains inside testing area to test the vehicle for approximately 12 to 15 minutes and continuously following instruction displayed on a front screen or LED panel. So the operator is required to perform multiple driver dependent action as per testing cycle, including engine start, stop, clutch operation, gear shifting, accelerator control, service brake application, parking brake engagement, steering wheel movement or correction, and other vehicle maneuvers necessary to complete the prescribed test sequence. So the manual intervention requires the operator to perform multiple driving related actions and repeatedly enter and exit vehicles of different configuration including cabin and cabless variants. As a result, the operator is exposed to exhaust fumes, noise, vibration and heat, while the repetitive nature of the activity can contribute to fatigue during prolonged operations. The core challenge is to automate the driver dependent activities involved in the braking testing process. For manual transmission vehicles, automated roller braking testing process that they are referring to, the solution should be capable of executing predefined test sequence by automatically actuating the clutch, accelerator, service brake, parking brake, steering system, engine controls and gear shifting mechanism while ensuring safe, repeatable and reliable vehicle operation throughout the test cycle. So the system should integrate seamlessly with existing roller brake testing infrastructure, enhance operator safety and improve test repeatability and reduce dependence on direct human intervention without compromising test accuracy or throughput. So the last date for application is 2nd November 2026. So they are giving cash award, so you will get reward money which is paid in exchange of legally acquiring the solution, implementing it to solve the problem and meeting the success criteria. So it's a great opportunity for you. So if you like this video, please do leave a like and do subscribe to our YouTube channel Idea Mela for such exciting opportunities from around the globe. Thank you very much.